today is another surf vlog because why not? Forgot my board shorts. Sunscreen. Surfboard. This reminds me of work back home in South Africa. I'm so glad I'm not there right now and rather going surfing. High tide is in around 2 hours. Figured I'd be there early to beat the crowd. Let's do this. Already a bunch of bikes parked at the entrance. Hopefully it's not gonna be too crowded. And the wave looks good, man. Oh, it's gonna be sick. I'm done, man. I got a little bit of a Okay, so I went to Fatlip to go buy some wax because I was slipping off my board. I saw a place that sells burgers and mango shake. I'm so excited for this burger because this is the best mango shake I've ever had on this island so far. And I only paid 70 pesos. But the lowest price I got for a mango shake was 90 pesos. And it normally goes for like 150 pesos or something. Anyway, gonna spin back to the room so I can try the burger. I'm so excited for this burger. I almost ate it on the way here. I think I might have already finished I did finish the mango shake. So that was 70 for the mango shake and 60 pesos for this burger. I got two. So normally at the boulevard I paid 40 for a burger and the tricycle is 20 to get to the boulevard, so it would work out the same. Actually 20 to get back, so it would work out more to go to my normal burger place. So I'm really excited about this burger. If it's really good, I'm gonna eat a lot of burgers from this place. Wow, it's so good, man. I love this. Anyway, I'm gonna go inside before the mosquitoes kill me. So I probably need to fix this. I don't really have glue, but I have this ding repair resin because I had the ding in my nose that I had to fix. So this is not actually glue, but I'm gonna try it and see if it helps. It feels like I constantly need to fix stuff. Like the other day I had to fix my drone because the footage was like wobbly and shaky, like something was wrong with the gimbal. I had to calibrate the drone using my laptop, and I had to download the assistant and plug it in, and I had to hold the drone in front of the screen of the laptop, and I had to move it to like following a light on the screen. It kind of feels good solving stuff, but man, it's getting a little bit irritating. On my way in here, Meldon told me he got some coconuts from one of these trees and that I can have one, and he put it on the refrigerator. So I'm gonna check if I can get a cold coconut. This is mine. Thank you, Meldon. You're welcome. This is Meldon, he's the caretaker of this place. Thanks, Meldon. So he already chopped this up for me, so I just need to press with my nails on this. Oh, whoa! It's so good, man. And it's so sweet and it's so fresh. So I had this idea of replying to comments of my previous video on the end of each video. So now I'm going to reply to a video I made the other day called My New Favorite Surf Spot. So Foster Phillips says, "What an awesome vlog, keep up the good work." Thank you, I'll do that. Paulo Whosoever says, "You look so thin now." Yeah, I actually ran a lot, and now that I'm able to go surfing again, I really feel like I'm back in shape. It actually feels so silly to me that the government would let us stop surfing, because if you're fit then your immune system is stronger, and if your immune system is stronger you have more resistance towards the coronavirus. Anyway, thank you, Paulo. Ibrahim Slacks says, "Nice, do you prefer Cape Town or the Philippines?" I don't know if you mean surfing in Cape Town or the Philippines, but I definitely prefer surfing in the Philippines because the water temperature is very, very warm. Like every day is like 30 degrees Celsius, so I definitely prefer warm water. I don't even need to wear a wetsuit. The second skin I always wear while surfing, that's actually just to protect me from the sun. So surfing wise, I really prefer the Philippines, but I'm actually starting to miss the food from South Africa. Like I really miss having a braai. They have barbecue over here, but it's not the same. They only have like chicken and pork. Tag Saya says, "Hi dude, remember me? I'm from Sharjah." I'm not really good with names, but I did watch a video from your channel. And I do remember you. Anyway, then I'm gonna end this video here. Hit that like button if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, and then I guess I'll see you tomorrow, bro.